Hello everyone, welcome back to the KMTRADERS channel. So we're looking at AUD JPY here. I'm looking out for a bearish move still. Now, there's going to be a lot of questions here why. So let me kind of explain exactly what my thought processes are, and hopefully you can understand where I'm coming from. So as we know with downtrends and all trends, regardless of using trend lines, we can experience a lot of things here, and that what we can experience is either a clean break like such, and a continuation, or we can get fake outs. And fake outs are a common thing in trading, and you have to be quite careful with the trend lines in general, right? So the way I use trend lines is to confluence it together with other factors, right? You cannot, personally, I feel like you can't use trend lines alone. It has to be in confluence with another indicator, another confluence, etc. So I hope you can understand what I'm thinking here. So my reasoning for this is really just for the sentiment of the current market from this high, and pretty much we've been stepping down all this way. So for me, I will be looking at a bearish momentum here, and I will be considering sells until we break above 78.5. So that's pretty much this whole area that can obviously push up to. So another thing I want to show you guys is also the RSI. It's obviously overbought. So again, you could keep an eye out on this trend here that I've just drawn, which is just an intraday level on a smaller time frame perspective. But you can still use this trend line in relation to this EMA and obviously the RSI. So take these little different techniques into consideration, because it could actually help you with picking out and altering your own trading style, right? So yeah, all I'm looking out for, guys, is just weakness to the upside, and if we look back in time, we could possibly find a resistance level, which I will have to look out for. But yeah, looking out for some strong resistance, and to see if we could then push and break this uptrend. And if we do, then I will be looking to target into 74.00. And to be honest, I want to see this low being taken out. And then what I will be looking out for is just a push lower, slightly a little more, and then we could expect a big push after that. So again, this is a bit, this move here is a bit optimistically speaking. We just have to first see if this scenario works out first. So let's just get rid of that actually, just to make it a bit easier and understand. This is the route that I'm looking out for this pair until further notice. So the only time that I will be updating this pair is if we can start to see more bullish activity. Now, my first warning sign is to see if we are still strong from this this breakout here. If we don't see any signs of rejection, that's my first warning. The second warning sign for me that will absolutely solidify if we are pushing higher is if we break this high, okay, so at 78.5. So once we see price break above 78.5, that's when we will consider updating this pair, and we would therefore consider a bullish scenario. So that's all I have to really say for now. And again, just to summarize it all, as long as price stays below 78.5, I will be looking for bearish pressure and bearish positions all the way into 74 flat. Okay, so without further ado, guys, if you are new to this channel or you're a new trader, we do have a trading group that you can join. That link is in the description. It's called the Telegram group chat. So Telegram group trading group. So if you need to download the app Telegram Messenger, and you can also message us on there as well, or our Instagram, whichever you prefer, if you do have any further questions, and possibly we could help you with your own trading journey, guys. So again, if you made it all the way to the end of the video, I do appreciate your time for listening to us. Make sure you're subscribed, make sure you give this video a like if you did, and that will be all. So thank you very much for listening, and we'll see you guys all in the next one.